in a boat. We got Soya, Jack, Brad, Demba and Toby. You guys trying to say what's up, say what's good. So we're going to this huge bridge. We're gonna have a huge rope swing across the whole bridge. It's gonna be boring. We made it to the bridge right now. I'm here with Jack. Are you ready?
Hell yeah!
Woo! Basically, we're having the rope. Brad's fixing the rope as he usually does. I jumped from this bridge like last year and it's 20 meters down. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do it today because it kind of hurt my ass, but we'll just see because this is super fun.
But I know that I've played my part. I'm hurting you as well. I guess that we should say we're sorry. Say we're sorry. Say we're sorry. I guess that we should say we're sorry. Say we're sorry. Say we're sorry.
Go. Go. 10, 2, 3. No. Oh, this one. So basically what we tried 2 people on the rope swing and I landed on my back. Go, good?
Yeah, not the one.
We were supposed to do a backflip but couldn't even do it. Woo! Alright guys, so we're in here in the middle of nowhere right now. We're trying to find a cliff, a bridge or something. We're gonna jump off it. It's gonna be so cool. But we have no idea where we are. We're currently walking on something really freaking old. And I have no idea what it actually is.
I know what it is. Back in the days, years back, I sent wood and sticks in this going to the city from the land.
We've been walking for like 30 minutes right now. And it was like an hour motorbike ride. It better be worth it. Okay, jump. Jump down. Looks like we're here. I'm not quite sure, but I think so. Is this it?
Is this?
Is that a yes or no?
Yes.
Oh, it's closed.
Oh, man.
We gotta leave.
We gotta go.
Whoa! Whoa!
I am made to be free. I am made to be free.
That spot was really cool, but it was pretty dangerous as well since you had to jump over a few rocks. This man actually a few days ago. You wanna tell him?
Yeah, a few days ago I went here with some other friends and I went up on the, you know, the like brick on the side.
The huge thing on the side.
And I jumped over the mountains and down in the water and I was like so far away from the mountain when I landed in the water.
It was that far from dying.
I thought I was going to die.
Look, he got a clip right here. I can show you right now. Alright, so we're on our way back, basically. On our way to this place. We saw a huge bridge and we want to jump off it.
And I swear it was like 350 meters. No kidding.
No kidding. Alright, I'll just catch you guys there. It's good. All right, so basically we're up here right now. It is really far down actually. I don't know if you guys can tell, but basically that is a bridge over there. And we're gonna jump it because I'm sweating balls right now.
And this bridge is higher from standing up here. This is higher than standing up here and jump down there.
Oh fuck. Do you know what this sign means? It means that whenever you're on the train tracks, the waves come and try to kill you, apparently. We got Toby here sending the drone. We got my man up here. Gonna jump on the bridge. I'm actually coming up as well, though. Apparently there's a train. I cannot hear a train. All I can see is bugs. That was high. Everybody ready? 3.
Okay, jump this way.
Here?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna jump right now. See you guys tomorrow. Because that is not in the video.
Okay, man. You ready? Actually, I'm gonna jump in 3, 2, 1. Woo!
Alright, we just had to jump that really quick because apparently there was a train coming, but that train never came. But the thing is that when we got up here, there was a million of mosquitoes and bugs. I don't even know what to call that. That bridge is probably, apparently 16 meters. I'm not sure how many feet that is for you Americans. I don't know what's next right now. Oh yeah, it's so heavy holding the camera. My shoulder's dead.